Hey guys, so quick update. The box is in the car, cleaned up, wired up, ready for the subwoofers. The amp rack is painted, ready to go. I've got the amplifiers staged over there. They're not really hooked up yet, but you can see how much nicer it looks, the black on top of the white. The port is ready to go as well. Just have to install it. What do you think, Jack? Is it nicer?
Yep.
Yep. Let's see what it looks like from the outside.
Yeah, gone door.
And from the outside, I think it looks quite a bit nicer. Matches the interior of the car.
Is it interior of the car?
So once the subs are in, I think it'll be a nice contrast to black and white. I think I like it a lot better than just how I had the black before. So that's it. Hopefully by next weekend, it's all in, ready to go. It works.
Okay.